Welcome to the very first video on this channel. In the next few weeks, I'll be starting a road trip across Europe. And I wanted a drone that is compact, easy to carry, and ready to capture amazing landscapes from above. Today, we're keeping it simple. Let's unbox it, get everything ready, and head outside for the very first flight. Inside the box, you'll find the drone, the remote controller, the battery, charging, accessories, spare parts, and the quick start documentation. Everything looks clean, compact, and travel-friendly. Let's get it ready. The drone is now assembled and ready for its first flight. One of the reasons I chose this model is that it's designed to be portable, making it easy to pack for road trips and travel. It offers a stabilized camera for smooth aerial footage, intelligent flight features, and GPS-assisted navigation for a more reliable flying experience. Today we'll test the takeoff, flight stability, camera quality, and finally the return to home function. Let's see how it performs. Takeoff is smooth and the controls respond quickly. The drone remains stable in the air, making it easy to capture cinematic footage. The camera provides a completely different perspective, especially for landscapes, roads, forests, lakes, and future travel destinations.
Take home point updated. Take home.
Now let's test one of the most useful safety features.
Return to home.
Return to home. With a single command, the drone automatically flies back toward its takeoff point and lands smoothly. For anyone planning to film while traveling, this feature adds confidence and makes flying much easier. This is only the beginning. The real adventure starts in the next episode.
Landing.
Where the drone joins me on my European road trip.
Landing.